playing Geometry Dash. Oh wait, that ain't right. Geometry Dash Breeze. Yep, that's right. I swear if you just pause that video at this exact same moment, you should have sang the giant swing copter. I don't know if I've done this on my channel or not, because I've posted 5 of them, I think. Very hard. Like that upside down part. Oh my god. I don't even want it. Ghost House. Don't listen to the Ghost House actual music, because just don't. I listened to it once and I hated it. Oh, why? My favorite one. Oh my. Why? What? How and why? I want these things to be in the game already, like, so bad. Like, why do we even have to learn that? Yeah, I know. I hate it. And I'm gonna do it in practice. Because I always do these vids, like, 4 minutes long. And just so you know, I do absolutely, like, 1% of editing. Let's try with ball. Bowler. Oh god. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't even understand where am I now. Spoink. Are you ready? No, I'm not. What? Yeah, now what? I'm gonna let you guys a sneak peek of Roblox, which I'm gonna do in a month, I think. Just a little bit of sneak peek. I'm gonna probably do all of these next month. Okay, now bye.